Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike MC Trainer. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MC Trainer training shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 8.5, US size 9.5, EU size 43, and it's in the black and blue, blue fury, electric green colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside the Nike MC Trainer. Let's peel back the wrapping paper and lift out the left shoe first and focus on that. So this is the MC Trainer in the black and blue, blue fury, electric green colorway, and doing a 360 rotation, so you have a full and clear view of this training shoe. And just setting the box to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the table so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we focus on this left shoe. And taking a close-up look at the details of the shoe, you can see that there is protection in the forefoot area around the toe with a protective coating over the mesh upper cover. And as we move around the midfoot area, we can see that the upper laces do have a strap that extends around the heel area. And as we look around the back and heel area of the shoe to give you some idea of the shape and silhouette of this training shoe. And on the inner side, we can see the very smooth cover extend around the inside heel area towards the midfoot that continues with that strap that goes to the upper lace. And taking a look from the front to the back, we can see there is an extended sole towards the tip of the shoe with a Nike swoosh on it. And taking a look as we continue over the toe box area and towards the laces, we can see a "Just Do It" slogan aligned vertically along the tongue of the shoe, and at the top of the tongue you can see the Nike branding with the swoosh and Nike text. And as we look inside and around the ankle collar of the shoe, we can see that it is heavily padded right around the entire ankle area, as well as the heel. And taking a look directly inside, but not before first removing the stuffing from inside. So we have a clear and full view of the inside of the shoe. So we can see that the tongue is padded as well, with some very light and fluffy padding. And try my best to show you the inside of the shoe right there, so behind the tongue. And the inside with the insole, and of course once again the collar and heel padding. And now taking a look at the sole of the shoe. You can see that it does have a very flat design. And it does have some triangular style tread patterns, as well as horizontal grooves across the length of the shoe. So giving you a look right there at the details of the bottom or outsole of the shoe. And to give you some idea of the design and material, so you can hear that it is rather hard in design as I press down with my finger, as well as drag my finger across that rubber surface. However, these grooves along the perimeter or border of the shoe does provide plenty of traction. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands. So you can see how the shoe responds. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe back down. And now sliding the box back in view. And lifting out the right side of the Nike MC trainer in the Blackened Blue, Blue Fury, electric green colorway. And just doing some quick readjustments to the background with the left shoe, so you have a full and clear view of the pair in frame. So right here is the right shoe of the Nike MC trainer, and giving you a 360 rotation. And once again taking a close-up look, but this time at the right shoe, so you can see the details once again with the mesh and coated toe area, and with the eye stays and the lockdown or tie down strap on the upper laces. And taking a look inside the shoe, once again we see the ankle collar as well as the heel area having heavy padding around them. And at the back as well, the heel area we can see that coating that extends from the upper lace strap area all the way around that heel to midfoot area across both sides. And we can see that the shoe does have a foam midsole right throughout, with a much thicker portion at the back. And narrows towards the front. And taking a look at the sole of the shoe, once again we see that very flat design. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And from the front to the back. And the underside or soles of the shoe. And top down as well. So that's the Nike MC trainer in the Blackened Blue Blue Fury electric green colorway. Thanks for watching and happy training!